you, for all the team. I wish you to just enjoy and have a great day.
Thank you.
Terima kasih pada event organizer dari Kla. Acaranya happy banget, programnya juga oke banget. Timnya solid, thank you udah banyak support Haskoning. Lancar terus dan sukses terus buat Klanya.
I must say I'm really surprised, positively surprised. I'm very impressed how well organized it was, how enthusiastic people who dealing with this event were, ability to keep attention of the group, and it's quite a big group of people. It's more than 160 people here, but I guess everybody were involved, and you did really great job. I'm really impressed. Yeah. My real appreciation, many thanks for arranging such nice event for us. We're really grateful for that. We enjoyed a lot. I believe everybody who left this venue today has great mood, and it was really a pleasure. It was really a refreshing day. Very well arranged. Everything is balanced. Group was kept. Nobody was left alone, and it's really good job behind that. And my sincere thanks to you for having this. Thank you.